YouTube, how you doing today? Today we're taking a look at the Prepared Citizens Minuteman IFAK kit and their little Booboo bag here. So these are two separate products, but I recommend getting both and then combining in a bag like this one and making yourself a nice IFAK. This has all the serious items that you're going to need for an actual combat style IFAK kit, a serious trauma kit, okay? So let's take a look what's in this guy. We got some shears, pair of neoprene gloves, rubber gloves, some compressed gauze, 2 packs, so that's actually quite a lot of gauze there. Get yourself a nice sticker. It comes with this Slishman pressure wrap, which I'll show you how to use in a minute. It's a pretty neat gadget. And we have this board here with some duct tape on it. And the purpose for using something like this instead of just keeping your tape on the roll is because it's nice and flat. You can put it in your pocket or whatever. It doesn't take up, you know, like tape is fat and bulky and it's not great for putting in your pocket. So this keeps a nice flat item for your pocket. Okay, the next thing we have in here is a high quality cat tourniquet. This is sealed. I'm not going to break it open. Everybody has seen a cat tourniquet. I would hope that you all know how they work. If not, there's a million videos showing how to use a cat tourniquet. These are what I prefer. I've been using these for years. I really like them. Then we have this interesting device, which is called a Slishman pressure wrap.
Be very, very quiet. I'm hunting rabbits.
Wrap. And I'll demonstrate how this works in just a minute here. And then we go over to his Booboo kit. And you're going to get a bunch of Band-Aids, Neosporin. Okay, let's dump the Booboo kit out on the table here. So you get an anti-sting capsule. You get some alcohol prep pads. Neosporin, triple antibiotic ointment. Burn gel for burns. Get quite a few packets of that. So this is really basically like exactly like it says, a Booboo kit, and you get a bunch of Band-Aids. So this is for you're out camping, the kids get a bite from a mosquito or from a wasp, or you know, you get a minor burn on the campfire, or you know, you cut your hand, you want some antibiotic cream, that kind of thing. That's what this is for. But what I want to show you now is this pouch, because it works really well. And one last thing I did want to point out, the bag that it comes in. This is a nice heavy duty bag, and you can cut this open and use this for 2 separate chest seals with the tape. Okay, so you may not think of this when you're getting the product, but you're actually getting 2 chest seals. Okay, so you just cut the bag into 2 squares and you can seal up to 2 chest wounds with it. So that is a handy feature, and that is not a bad capability to have at all. All right, let me put all this away, and we'll show you how the Slishman wrap works, and I'll show you how it fits nicely into this bag. Okay, so this Slishman pressure wrap is very easy to use. Let me get this unfolded here. Okay, so the first thing you're going to notice is we've got an armband right here. All right, now when you turn this, you want to turn it so that the tape side is out. Okay, we'll turn. Now this is a pressure bandage. This is for when you have like a wound that you can use to apply pressure to. You take your gauze and you put it on the wound, and then you're going to put this on top of it. This way you don't got to hold it on there. You can still be mobile and physical. Okay, so you take your dressing, you lay that underneath of this, obviously under the wound. Okay, so you're going to lay your dressing on there. You're going to take this, now you're going to turn it in a direction so that the double-sided tape is facing out. So that the Velcro is facing out, correction. You're going to start wrapping it. And this all sticks to itself. It's very sticky. And you're going to get a nice bit of tension on there. You can pull it as tight as you want. Get a good bit of tension on there. and this will stick to itself. There you go. And now your wound, you gotta get a good bit of pressure on this wound. Now I got the wound clean. I got a gauze over it. I'm not going to get any dirt in it, but I still got both my hands free. I can still do things. You know, anytime you're bleeding badly, you obviously keep it elevated if you can, if at all possible. But in an emergency, if you still have to use your arm and you still need to be mobile, or after if you got the blood stopped and you want to hold your bandage in place, this is actually this is a good option and a good way to do it. And this comes with the kit. It's very simple to use, and it's a good idea. And you can see that my arm was already changing colors down there, getting a little purple. So this definitely applies a lot of pressure. Now I'm sure in the field with a stick, in conjunction with like a stick, you could make a actual tourniquet out of this, but the kit comes with one, so you don't need to worry about that. But this is a neat item. And if you look at the loop right here, the loop gets bigger and smaller. So what you want to do is you want to cinch it down to the size of your limb. Or this would be good because unlike a tourniquet, which you cannot use on your body, you could open this way up and use this around your torso, which is something you absolutely cannot do with a tourniquet. So very cool. That's a neat feature. Okay, so now we got a bag and all our pouches, and this bag is just the perfect size to put this stuff in. And inside here, we got some pockets. So we're going to slide our tourniquet right in one of the pockets. Slide our Booboo kit right inside one of the pockets. And boom, we have our complete IFAK kit in here. And this is a really good IFAK kit. It's got a lot of, all the main things you're going to need. Zipper up. Still got plenty of room in this front pouch. Zippered compartment. You got your outer pocket. You got your shock cord, and you got your rear zippered area. So you still got tons of room in this, and you carry a full IFAK kit with you. So this pouch is perfect for that sort of thing. And you know, there's all kinds of pouches on the market that would be really good for this. Thanks for watching, folks. I hope you all have a wonderful day. Free My Me out.